What do we do with the garden when the neighbours make changes that you're not expecting? So basically what's happened is this has all changed because the neighbours have taken down lots of trees. So I've used it as a way of making sure that the garden's better planted, because this has just gone in this last year and I think it looks really pretty in sun in summer. This has gone in and this has been through -5. It is supposed to be hardier to a lower temperature. There is a tetrapanax there, and then there's a bamboo to give me back my privacy, and that's a Indian bean tree, because the next plan is to actually paint that fence so that it's actually black, so it blends in. And then what's sort of new is that I have got this bamboo down here, and I've planted a 60-centimetre bamboo barrier, which is quite considerable, I'm sure you'd agree. So you have to dig down for 60 centimetres to put in this bamboo, because it's a running bamboo, and the last thing you want is that escaping all over your garden. But if you can see those canes, I think it'll look nice against a black fence. And the rest of the garden, I had some patio stones I had to replace because I had a pagoda fall on them. So I've also moved the small Buddha and replaced it with this much larger Buddha. And then the small Buddha's moved to my patio area because this Buddha is at the back of my garden. I have cut these grasses down for winter, for spring, because apparently they start growing in February, so I want it not to look messy when the new growth comes up. This tree fern's done brilliantly because it's right next to the house, and that's enabled it to escape the frost. I've planted lots of lily bulbs, which are all here waiting to come up, and further tulips in that galvanised tub. But these are all lily bulbs, and I have got some pots at the back. I want to try, besides this, which is the catalpa Indian bean tree. It's in a pot because I haven't decided yet where I want it to go. And these two are Miscanthus giganteus and Arundo Dunax. I like this phormium, stands out quite well in summer. I think that's doing really well, and this is just an unusual novelty, isn't it? Okay, so thank you very much for visiting, and I'll see you again soon.